Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? All right, to be honest, that looks a little daunting, but you just need to keep in mind one thing, and then that'll make it pretty straightforward. What is that one thing? You got it? You remember it? All right, cool. So that thing is, we want to combine like terms, not anything else. So whenever I see an x squared y, I want to combine it with another x squared y, regardless of the coefficient in front of it. So where do I see that? I see that right here with a negative x squared y. So I would want to combine these two. So essentially, this whole question is just giving you an exercise in simplifying this entire nonsense here. So x squared y is going to combine with an x squared y. All right, what's next? 3y squared. So where else do you see a 3y squared? Point to it. You see it? Yes, right there, 3y squared. So we want to combine y squared with a y squared. And what's next? 5xy squared. So where do we see another xy squared? We see it right here, and we want to combine that. Now, one more thing to be careful about. Yep, you know, it's this negative right here. We want to distribute this negative and make sure not to leave it outside the parentheses. Distribute that, but don't do anything else before you distribute that, okay? So once you distributed it, let's actually combine them. So we got x squared y now plus x squared y since we distributed that in negative. Okay, what's that going to give us? 2x squared y. Okay, you see what I did? You're with me? All right, don't sleep on me. All right, next we got 3y squared, negative 3y squared because we have that minus sign right there. And who is he going to combine with now with the plus 3y squared? And you're probably already thinking about this. It is just 0. Good. And we can combine this one more time. We can do the 5x squared with the 3xy squared. But look at this. Watch this. I know that my answer should have something with an x squared y. So let me take a quick glance at the answers. I have an x squared y squared? Nope. X y squared? Y squared? Absolutely not. So it could be C and it could be D because I have an x squared y and I have an x squared y. Excellent. But then from our guys, the 3y squared and plus the 3y squared, I see that I get a 0. I should not have a y squared in my answer. Where do I see a y squared? Ooh, I see it right here. That's not going to work, D. Sorry about that. So it's not D, and our answer is going to be C. And you just saved yourself a couple more seconds and a probably large headache trying to do the last part.